Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This is for the month of May, and you probably know May is my birthday month, and we've been doing a lot of birthday stamps. And this one kind of will feel like that, but really, it's just something in my collection that was missing and I wanted to do, and we've never really done it. So I think you're going to be surprised when you see this, because I was kind of surprised we haven't done this yet. But here you go. Oh, wait. You want to be a member of our Stamp Club? Of course you do. The information's in the description below. Stamp Club is super fun. You get a new, fresh, never-before-seen stamp every month. And you also get a discount in our store as being a club member. So, you want to check it out? Here we go. This one is so cute. It's called So Sweet. And I got a big old glare for you guys. Let me get it to drop down where you can see it good. Check this out. I love this. Look at this cupcake. This is what I wanted. I wanted a big old cupcake, like in real life and on a stamp set, so that I could make it in all different kinds of celebration cards. So we got a strawberry and a cherry and a big cupcake and a little row of cupcakes, which you can do so much with. And I want to point something out. You see this little guy right here? That is our version of a flake. Now, a flake is a candy bar made by Cadbury, and I think mostly sold in Europe because that's where we learned about it, and I had never had one. And one of my viewers last week sent me an entire box of flake candy bars. So this stamp set was already designed with the flake on there. So that is a chocolate candy bar, and if you saw, this is what they look like. Shannon has one sitting. We have been loving these. This is the flake bar. So how funny, right? But they're delicious, and so when you see this, that's what that is. It's a chocolate flake bar. Now, I know purists are going to be like, yeah, but they don't put them in cupcakes. Well, it just worked for this one, so we put it in a cupcake. So let's talk about sentiments. You get the word celebrate, the word sweet, and you can work all around here with these words. You get your day, your, a, friend, heart, and let. So let me show you, like, let's celebrate your day. You're a sweet friend. You're a sweet heart. Like, you can decide how you want to do it, okay? And then this one, we just thought this was funny. We kind of made this up in the office one day, and it says a minute on the lips and a lifetime on the hip, hip, hooray, because no one really cares about it being on our hips. We just want to enjoy it. So we thought that was cute too. Now, here's a bonus for you. Because we've had classes this week and there's been teachers in and out of the building, you get lots of samples because I had teachers willing to help too this time. So let's start with Taylor's sample. This is what Taylor did. Let's celebrate your day with this adorable cupcake with a cherry on top. And she used some of the holographic glitter paper. I want to say this is the Mermaid collection from Sizzix. I'm not 100% sure. But she used that as her card base. Isn't that cute? And then on the inside, you're a sweet friend. Isn't that great? Love that one. Then we got Brenda's. And Brenda kind of stepped outside the box for Brenda. She made a tag. And she used our new tag set, which I just showed today, and I'm not sure what I did with it. I've moved it somewhere, but we used a new tag set for this, and look, she put her cupcake on a wobble. You can see the wobble on the side, and she added 2 strawberries. Isn't that cute? A lot of fussy cutting. Actually, she paper pieced this one too. Isn't that adorable? Love it. A minute on the lips and a lifetime on the hip, hip, hooray. We don't care about the hips. We do not. Celebrate. Look at this one. This is Kim Dixon. This is great when I have all the teachers here. Kim made this one. Love this. I wish I could do plaid frosting because that's adorable. You're a sweet friend. And I love how she did this card. It's kind of a strange fold. Not strange, but really cool, right? I don't really know how to call that, but it's a short fold. So it's short folded, and she had a place to put her sentiment. Then, so proud of this one, Sylvia did this one. Look how good she did. She's not a card maker. She was a little nervous, but I said, just try it. And look how good. It looks like a little tablecloth and the little cupcake with a die cut. Very good. And she said, you're sweet. Isn't that cute? Then mine, and I have to give total credit to Pinterest for this. I found Nicole Spohr had used a die set and created something that looked similar to this. And I was so impressed by what she had done by putting cupcakes everywhere. I had to try it. So while Kim was teaching the other night, I had some time to play. I did a lot of fussy cutting. All the frostings, all the cupcake wrappers and everything's fussy cut. But I had some time, so I played and did this. And I wanted to kind of look like a tablecloth in the back, and then focus on all our little cupcakes. So I love how this turned out. So those are your bunch of samples because, like I said, there were a bunch of folks here and we could make a whole bunch for you. So if you're not a member of the Stamp Club, you might want to consider becoming a member so you can get these as soon as they hit the shelves. They come to you first. Otherwise, it's still available for you. You can pick up this stamp set in our store. I also didn't point out the candle, and none of us used the candle. That's interesting how we didn't do that. But there is an adorable little candle right there for you. All right, guys, you know the deal. If you get this stamp set, make something with it. Post a photo on our customer gallery, and that enters you to win a $50 gift card. And last month's $50 gift card winner will be in the first line of the description below. Hey, thank you so much for being a part of our stamp club. I hope you love this one as much as we do, and I cannot wait to see what you do with it. Thanks so much, guys. Till next time, bye now.